Imagine a world where achieving a straighter smile is faster, more comfortable, and customized just for you. This is the promise of three-dimensional printing in orthodontics. This technology is transforming the way we straighten teeth, offering a precise and efficient alternative to traditional braces. Gone are the days of messy molds and lengthy wait times. Three-dimensional printing allows us to create clear aligners, virtually invisible trays that gently shift your teeth into place. But how does it all work? It starts with a digital impression of your teeth, a far cry from the gooey molds of the past. These impressions are incredibly accurate and form the foundation for designing your personalized treatment plan. Once we have a digital map of your mouth, we use sophisticated software to plan every step of your orthodontic journey. This allows us to see how your teeth will move over time and ensure the best possible outcome. Finally, the magic of three-dimensional printing comes into play, bringing your custom aligners to life. The journey to a straighter smile begins with a digital impression of your teeth. This process is quick, comfortable, and far more accurate than traditional methods. We use a special intraoral scanner that takes thousands of images of your teeth and gums, creating a highly detailed three-dimensional model. Imagine a small wand-like device that effortlessly glides over your teeth, capturing every nook and cranny. The scanner uses a safe light source to create a digital map of your mouth, eliminating the need for messy, putty impressions. This digital impression is then used to create a virtual model of your teeth, which serves as the foundation for designing your aligners. The precision of this technology ensures that your aligners will fit perfectly and comfortably, making your orthodontic treatment as convenient as possible. With your digital impression in hand, the real fun begins. Designing your personalized treatment plan. We use specialized computer software to analyze your bite and plan the precise movements of your teeth. This software allows us to visualize how your teeth will shift over time, ensuring that we achieve the best possible outcome. Think of it like a virtual roadmap for your smile. We can even show you a simulation of how your teeth will look at each stage of treatment, giving you a clear understanding of the process and the final result. This level of customization is simply not possible with traditional braces. We can adjust the force and direction of tooth movement with incredible accuracy, ensuring that your aligners are both effective and comfortable to wear. Now comes the exciting part. Using three-dimensional printing to create your custom aligners. This cutting-edge technology allows us to translate your digital treatment plan into a physical reality. We use special three-dimensional printers that build your aligners layer by layer using a biocompatible resin that is both strong and transparent. The process starts with a digital file of your aligners, which is sent to the three-dimensional printer. The printer then deposits tiny droplets of liquid resin onto a build platform, carefully layering the material until your aligners are complete. Once the printing is finished, your aligners are carefully removed, washed, and cured under UV light. The result? A set of crystal clear, perfectly fitting aligners that are ready to gently guide your teeth into their desired positions. You'll be amazed at how comfortable and discreet they are, allowing you to straighten your teeth without anyone even knowing.